Hello guys and welcome to a new vlog. It's been a while since new vlog ama niko in front of a camera. I've been having some issues kila mali, but now ziko fixed and I'm back vlogging. And yeah, so today nataka ninunue braids because I want to take down this hair. Hii nywele imekaa for like 2 months. Imekaa for like 2 months, so nataka nikaitoe and I go do some bit of thrifting, but save sana. Yeah, and I'm with my sister.
Hi vlog.
Call me a thrift queen because tell me why you went thrifting thrice on the same week with my sister. Thrifting for me it's very therapeutic and it's the cheapest way to get yarn for my projects. As you all know, I'm a crochet artist and thrift yarn is much cheaper than yarn bought from the shop. Yeah, and I get really amazing pieces. Like, look at these shoes, guys. Look at this bag that my sister found. Like, thrifting is so therapeutic. You should try it. So hello guys and welcome to a new vlog. As you can see, my hair is done. So I went for green panty knots and I got my piercing. Okay, I had a piercing like was it last year? I think last year, and nikatoa the ring nika block, so nimeenda kuredo it. It's not that painful. It's not that painful. Yeah, and my hair is done. My sister told me I look like Will Smith. Yeah. Hi vlog. Imagine udem ananiacha. She's leaving me. Yeah. Sasa I'll have to live alone. Yeah guys, narudi shule. naenda shule to do the grind. Yeah, so travel with me, kitukayo, travel with me. Guys, I'm trying to improve on my English because I've noticed I have audience from US and like international audience. So I'm trying to improve my English and speak a little bit of English when I'm vlogging. Yeah, so I wanna finish packing some things. I have this stuff. I want to pack them and then head out. Nina kapande matatu and then we go to school. I actually feel awful that narudi shule. Mi spendi shule. Anyways, goodbye. On the next day, I decided to go on a short walk to Njine Kabia with my friend. Yeah. So on the Google Maps, it said that the walk was about 6 minutes. But guys, it was a 2-hour walk and I was so tired. But these woods were so therapeutic. I don't know if you can say they are woods or forests, but it was so therapeutic. I meditated a lot and I released a lot of pain. And I did some healing. And meditating. Yeah, I mean, I felt so nice, but we couldn't go to the falls because you have to pay an entrance fee. We didn't know. You have to pay an entrance fee of 400 bob. So we decided to come next time. Yeah, even to see the falls you have to pay and all the activities. But yeah, I'll sure do come here. This place is so amazing and so beautiful, you guys. You should try to come here to Njine Kabia. Hello guys and welcome to a new vlog. So nilifika shule but I've never vlogged since nifike because I've been busy running critical errands. Yeah, I've been busy running critical errands, but now I'm here. So I've been doing some projects that I want to sell them. Yeah, so kuna projects nilikuwa nataka but I changed my mind. Kuna project nilikuwa nataka kufanya but I changed my mind, so I want to do a new one but I don't have yarn. Nilienda kununua yarn jana but haikutosha, so I want to go and buy some yarn. But before that nataka kwenda to school to check on some issues, to fix some issues, and then we'll head out to buy some yarn. It's a really hot day and I've decided to wear black on black. But yeah, let's go.